I'm going to walk you guys through how easy and simple it is and exactly what it's going to look like straight out of the box. This is the Tiny Land Play Kitchen for Kids. It's a wooden play kitchen with a toy storage system. Now this is going to have plenty of play features. This has got a kitchen designed area, okay? Super simple instructions. When I've put together furniture before in the past, I wanted to say how easy this one was. The holes are already pre-aligned and it's almost as if the screws just had been put in there before because they went in so easy. There was no worrying about if I was going in crooked or anything like that. It just was very simple. So step by step, this is exactly what it should look like. As you can tell here, I'm just adding the piece at a time, following the instructions. Simple, easy to do. It came with all the tools except for the Phillips head screwdriver, which you will have to provide. But this in all took me about 30 minutes to put together. Super cute. And I'm going to show you, these just glide right in. And there was no worrying about if you were tightening it too much. It was effortless. It's even got these little hooks here for the utensils. Super cute. Perfect for a birthday or a Christmas gift. Cannot wait for my granddaughter to play with this. I loved all the little gold features. These little spatulas and spoons, she will be able to play and pretend all day long kitchen. And I want to show you the finished product. This was absolutely gorgeous and stunning. And we purchased the fruit separately to go ahead in the baskets. Super adorable. Highly, highly recommend this product.